properly. Police were coming. The moment Mengo took over, they neglected. They were just getting money. We don't know, no accountability. It was burnt. And now, can you imagine? And I'll say, because in the plainest language you can hear, Kasubi Tombs, technically speaking, it is nothing but a burial ground of 4 of the departed individuals. Call them kings, call them emperors, call them anything. But before God, it is 4 individuals lying there. They are sheltered in a grass-thatched structure. Grass structure. How can you spend 3 billion to put in a place a grass-thatched structure? Up to today, 3 billion. Government has put in millions of shillings. UNESCO has put in millions of shillings. People of goodwill collected their tafari, and all you show us is a little bit of structured place. And you have the audacity to show us the Mengo group going into that thatched structure at night. And if you want to go at night, go at night. But why again do you take photographs? I think what Baganda wants is what has happened to their money. What is the accountability? Not to show us pictures of people performing rites in the night, in the darkness of the night. 150 years since Christianity came here, you can still do those, perform those heathen rites in the dark and even take photographs. This is my personal opinion. I condemn it. And as a Muganda, I think it put us very, very far down.